Hey, CINECROMA Entertainment Television, Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo, yo, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. Buckingham Daddy Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy go day. African legacy, you know they take and play. African culture, we hold am very tight. African manage, you know they free at all. For in gym, for in vein, na African blood. Buckingham Daddy Abiola. Buckingham Daddy today. Buckingham Daddy.
Why do you move? You're not meant to move.
Hello, Baba. How are you, sir?
Mr. Johnson. Hello? Mr. Johnson. Adeo, how are you?
I'm fine.
Ah.
Where are you at the moment? They call you so that we meet up in our normal tracks now.
We'll go and enjoy ourselves.
Yes, but this weekend I don't think I will be available because I'm fully booked. As I did now, I don't dey go. I'm on my way to work.
That makes no sense.
So you're going to work now?
Yeah.
Dear, so we're not meeting up today again.
I know, but we didn't have any agreement that we'll meet today before. I get work. I get work for this weekend. Maybe we go shift time to next weekend.
No problem. I will go alone next time. Maybe in 2 weeks' time we'll see jam for the place.
My brother, make I go look for this pound sterling. They important. this money they important. You know, say person go pay bill now.
I know. It's good.
Okay.
On the pool.
Okay, boss. Take care, yeah? All right.
Okay.
Okay, have a nice day, sir.
And you
Enjoy
too.
your shift.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. My good friend. No worry, next weekend we go rock am together. All right.
Okay then. How do we get a point?
This ain't get sense. Now my turn now. How woman will they keep? This I no like better thing. Wagbo.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, your friend is not home?
He's not around.
No, he's not
He
around.
doesn't. I wanted to see. Let me just see.
Come in.
Thank you.
I'm not take this bus pass. Oh my God. Oh. What is it? I take this bus pass on top of table.
Yeah, but my husband is not home, and I don't think he knows that you're coming.
He doesn't need to know. My coming in here is because of you.
Me?
Oh my God. Because of the love I have for you. I don't know how to establish it. But you know the good thing about it? I've got a present for you.
Present for me?
I'm telling you. That's the phone.
Yeah! You bought me a phone.
It's for you.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Wow!
This
I just want to turn it on. Hey, it comes on, oh.
What have you seen? It's nothing. Just to let you know what I can do. I don't know why I forget this bus pass.
You bought me a phone.
Phone? You're talking of how much? I will buy you a car.
You know the reason why I was just a little bit surprised is because my husband, he's never bought me any. I'm coming. Let me put it inside properly. I don't want it to break.
That stingy man that cannot even have. I don't know what you see in him.
Well,
As beautiful as you are, you should be going out with someone like me. Look at me. When you are talking of rich man,
fine now.
oh my.
Thank you so much.
Oh, glass mountain. This is just a little. You will see more.
Really?
I will spoil you.
Oh my goodness. And you know what? You've just made me fall in love with you. Not my husband. I don't know. It's just not romantic. It's too stingy. It doesn't give me anything.
What do you even see in that old man?
I don't even know. You bought me a phone.
Darling,
I appreciate that.
I will take you round the world.
I mean, for you to be able to buy me a phone, I know one day you're going to buy me a car.
I will buy
You buy me a house.
You will have a house.
You buy me everything I want.
That man.
I can't wait. I
have the
love
money
you.
and have what it takes to look after you. That old man, he doesn't know nothing.
Oh, that's why I love
So
you.
even give you feeding money is a problem.
I know.
I will look after you, my darling.
I know.
You don't deserve you. My sweetheart.
You can be prosecuted for that.
For where? What is going on here?
Buckingham, that is not what you think.
Nothing.
Where did you dey hide for back?
It's not what you think.
I
So-
thought you said you're going to work.
You dey craze. If not be say I forget my bus pass now. Now so you dey come my house
No.
without letting me know.
Oh, no. He came to see you.
This is what you used to do when I'm not at home.
No, he came to see you.
It's not true.
No be you call my
It's not
phone.
what you think.
No be you call. Hey, no be you call my phone.
Yes.
When you ask me say we dey go somewhere together.
Yes.
So Queen,
Buckingham, you know.
Please.
He's
what
here
is
to
no?
see
Wait
you.
till me please.
Please.
Where you dey go? You want run? You want run? Hey,
Na
this
devil-
one
na
where I
devil
catch you
work.
so.
Na devil.
Which devil?
No, walk, come on,
You
come
did-
me, please. Please, don't kill me, please.
You this.
I won't
you
do
this
it. I
man.
won't do it again.
Don't
I will
say
never do it again.
my wife.
Please.
You this man.
Please.
Devil.
Please.
Which devil work?
Forgive me.
Which devil
Na
work?
devil.
So
I don't know what he enter me.
you don't know wetin enter you. You.
You know I'm not like that before.
My wife.
Please.
So upon all the women wey dey for this life, na my wife.
Please.
Which
Queen. Please.
Which devil?
Please, na devil. Papa, please.
Which devil? Which devil? If you touch me, waiting. You think that you go fit escape?
Please.
You think that you go fit escape?
Please. It will never.
If you touch me, you say na devil work. Na devil, which devil work? Devil hide your work or which devil? You. Don't come on, come on. You. I'm coming back to
Daddy, yo, Buckingham daddy, yo. Buckingham daddy, Abiola. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy go day. Buckingham daddy, Abiola. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy go day. African legacy, you know they pick and play. African culture, you hold on very tight. African money, you know they free and fall. For in gym, for in vein, African blood. Buckingham daddy, Abiola. Buckingham daddy today. Buckingham daddy today.